Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Measure and prep ingredients. Use 1 cup neutral oil such as canola or vegetable, 1/4 cup crushed chili flakes, and 6 cloves garlic minced very fine. Add 1 tsp salt and 1 tablespoon white vinegar for brightness and mild preservation. Sterilize a wide-mouth glass jar by boiling it for 10 minutes and set a metal strainer and a heat-proof bowl nearby. Keep lids and utensils dry and ready. Preparation saves time when oil reaches frying temperature and prevents contamination. Place oil in a small saucepan and heat to 250 degrees F, 120 degrees C, over low to medium-low flame. Use a thermometer for accuracy. Add minced garlic in a single layer and stir constantly, frying until the garlic turns light golden, about 3 to 5 minutes to avoid bitterness. Remove from heat. Add crushed chili flakes in a heat-proof bowl and pour the hot oil slowly in a steady stream so the mixture sizzles and the chilies bloom, releasing color and aroma. Let sit 2 minutes. After the initial 2 minutes, stir in 1 tablespoon white vinegar if not added earlier, then let the mixture cool to room temperature for 30 to 45 minutes before transferring into the sterilized jar. Decide whether to leave the fried garlic and chilies in the oil for texture or strain them out with the metal strainer. Both preserve flavor. Seal tightly and refrigerate. The oil keeps up to 60 days refrigerated or about 14 days at room temperature. Use 1 tsp to 1 tablespoon per serving as a condiment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.